using cash while you are on a debt-free journey. Should you not? Is it important? I get a lot of those questions, and so I want to talk about that today in the video. So I'm going to be doing a cash stuffing. It's going to be $402. It's a low cash stuffing. I'm going to be stuffing my daily cash envelopes, and then I'm also going to be stuffing sinking funds. So if that is something that you are here for, then just go ahead and stay tuned. If this is your first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If you are a returning bestie, I want to say, hey girl, hey, I'm so glad that you have returned for yet another video. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel, especially if you watch often but you haven't subscribed yet. Please subscribe. If this is your first time here and you're like, girl, I don't even know you yet, then I understand. But hopefully at the end of the video you will be inclined to subscribe. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell so that you are notified anytime that I upload a new video, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, besties. So today we are going to be here for a good time, but not a long time. And like I said, I'm going to be stuffing 400 and let me get this out of here. This is my receipt. I'm going to be stuffing $402. This is my cash breakdown sheet, and I got this from KRAFTY SANAA. So if you are interested in this cash breakdown sheet here, or laminated sheet, then definitely it will be linked in my description down below. I was excited when I went to the bank today. The lady was like, oh, I see you upgraded your breakdown sheet, and I was like, oh, you remember, you know this. Okay, look at you paying attention to detail and knowing who I is. All right, so I'm just gonna put this up here. We are going to count the money really quick to make sure it's all here. This is something that I got from my mom, $50. Thank you, Mom, if you're watching. Well, I already told her thank you, but you know, if you're watching the video, thank you. And so I'm gonna be adding this to my nail salon envelope. If you guys watched the last video, I didn't have any money to put towards it, and I was like, oh, I hope my mama gave me some money. And so she did. So I'm gonna put this in that envelope. So I'm gonna just, you know, kind of throw that to the side. I'm excited for my new cash divider here. I got this from Temu. This is in my Temu haul. Temu, excuse me, my Temu haul. So I am going to link that video if you're interested in this. And if you're interested in this cash, what do you call this envelope, my cash bag, then you're gonna have to message me on Instagram, and I'll send you the direct link. And this is my Instagram handle here, and that's that. So let's go ahead and count to make sure all of the money is here, and I am going to put it in my new cash tray. I'm super excited about this cash tray because I was really tired of that big old cash tray that I had. She gave me some new ones. She was like, oh, I'm so sorry, these ones are new. I said, girl, if you have new cash, can you please give me all the new cash? Because it just makes for better counting, you know? Yes, so if you are also watching this, I want to say thank you for all of the birthday wishes that everybody gave me. You guys are so sweet. And then a huge shout out to those people who gave me super thanks. I think it was one that was $10 and another one that was $9.99. I want to say thank you. You did not have to do that, okay? You do not have to share your hard-earned time or money with me. And so I just want to say thank you. I am so grateful, like super grateful for the love. So you guys are the bomb.com. You guys are my besties, and we are almost at 30K. So we are about to have a giveaway, like 30K. We are almost there, you guys. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but we're almost there, and I'm super excited for the growth within our community. And we are just growing in our finances and us being, you know, individuals, you know, so I'm here for it. So let's go ahead and count the money to make sure that we do have $402. So I said it made for better counting, but shoot, I could barely pull the money apart. And then I'm gonna have to do this like every other one because it's, all right. Is that how it's supposed to be? I don't know. I said I wanted this thing. I don't know how it's gonna work out. Ooh, that doesn't look good on camera. Wait a minute, because that didn't look good at all. Hold on. Does this look better? I don't know. Let's see how this works. I'm gonna try it in this video and we're gonna see if I need to go back to the other one. I do have my cash envelope breakdown sheet right here, and this lets me know which envelopes is gonna receive the money and how much money it's gonna receive. And so I'm just gonna put this over to the side. This is from the Budget Mom, and I do have the entire budget workbook, which is linked down below. Okay, and first we're gonna start with my, oh, where's my wallet? That's what we're gonna start with, my daily envelopes. So the question is, oh, well, let me go get it. Hold on. All right, you guys, so this is my daily envelope. I carry this envelope with me. This wallet is from So Crafty SANAA as well, and I also have this linked down below. So the first thing that we want to do is first catch my breath. But I am going to empty out my envelopes. So I had $1 left from groceries, and then household, I have $13 left from household. Come on. And then I have, what is this? $6 left from toiletries. Look at this. Your girl has some leftover cash. I'm excited for that because usually I don't have money left over because I wasn't so disciplined with my cash, but I was very intentional about being disciplined and, you know, really only spending what I had in my envelope. So let's count the total amount that I have here. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have $20 left over, and this $20 is going to go into my debt envelope. So if you're not aware, I am on a debt-free journey and I am paying off about $30,000 worth of debt, and I am gonna have an update to that balance, you guys. I had forgot about something, so in that next video, make sure you stay tuned. But any money that I have left over from my envelopes, the majority of the time I will put this money in the debt-free envelope. Not always, but sometimes I'll take whatever money I have left over and I'll allocate it to the debt-free envelope. And as I'm talking right now, I don't even know if this $20 is gonna go over there. I'm gonna just be 100% honest with you. As of right now, it's gonna go there, but I may allocate it to something else because during this debt-free journey, I am really being very intentional about the money that I'm spending, and I am yeah, so I'm gonna just put this right here. That might even actually go to my nails because I think I'm gonna need more money. So my nails on my debt-free journey. Yes, ma'am and sir. I'm just kidding. All right, so groceries, we're gonna be putting $150 in there. So that's gonna be 7 20s. And then that's going to be 110. So I hope I did 7. So let's see what we got here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40, 50. $150 is gonna go towards groceries. So the question that you know, some had is, how will I spend money now that I'm on a debt-free journey. So I think using cash envelopes is so key because you take the cash out of the bank and you only have the money that you have in order to spend. I don't have anything for eating out this time. Household is going to be getting $50, $2.20, and a 10. And I feel like this will help me to make sure that I'm only spending what I have budgeted for this amount, or for this category rather, and then it's gonna prevent me from overspending. I do have money that I want to pay. I'm trying to pay off my debt as quickly as I possibly can. Toiletries is gonna get $50 too, so that's 2 20s and a 10. And so I think it is very wise, unless you are just like great at budgeting money that's in your account. But for me and people like me, I really need to take the money out and work with what I have. So that is it as it pertains to my daily envelope. So I am going to close this and move on to now sinking funds. This is my sinking funds binder. And in this binder, I am only going to be stuffing 2 envelopes, and that is going to be trash, which is going to be getting $19. Well, let's start with this one, HOA, since it's the first one. I'm going to be putting $133 in here. It's going to be a $100 bill, a $20 bill, a $10 bill, and 3 ones. And this is my HOA bill that I pay every month. Is $266. And for me, the best thing is to take the money out and then deposit the money back into the bank and then make my payment. It just works best for me that way. So it's 100, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Just to make sure that I have my HOA money. If you are a long time bestie, then you know that I hate paying my HOA. I mean, it's not that I hate it. It's just like, ugh. I mean, because there are benefits to being a part of an HOA community. Ones that are good. So let me just stop saying that. I don't want to say that anymore. Let me just say this is for my HOA. 1, 2, 20, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. So this is my HOA bill right here. I will deposit this back into the bank and then I will make the payment. Next is going to be trash. And for trash, this will be getting $16. This will be getting, no, I'm sorry, $19. This will be getting a 10, a 5, and 4 ones. My trash bill is due once a quarter. And so by me saving $19 a paycheck, I will have the total amount that is due in December. It's 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So we got $37 in here so far to make sure that this bill is paid. Now I also need to do a cash unstuffing from this binder because I did just renew my tags. And so I need to take this money out and I need to put it in the bank. My tags were a total of $297. I didn't know that I was gonna have to pay a fee to pay for the actual car registration, the renewal fee. It was like a $6 or $7 fee to use my debit card. Had I known, I would have took the cash with me, but I didn't know. So I had to eat it instead of leaving and then coming back for $6. So anyway, I'm gonna be depositing this in the bank. So it's 1, 20, 40, wait, sorry. 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So 238 is what I will be depositing into the bank. I do know that I was short $55, and so that came out of my account. So that is, oh, now we have our debt envelope, and I'm actually not gonna do anything with my debt envelope. Yes, okay. So that's it for my sinking funds. Now I'm gonna be stuffing my self-care envelopes, my self-care binder, if this is what you wanna call it. Now, I do wanna say, if you want to know how I came up with the amounts of what I needed to take out and how I only have 5 envelopes that I'm contributing to, I really encourage that you look at my budget video, because that is where I break down how I made the decision to take money out for these envelopes, okay? And I'll have that linked. So for nail shop, I'm gonna be adding the $50 that my mom gave me for my birthday, and then I'm also going to be adding the leftover money that I have from my envelopes, because I'm gonna need that. I need to get my nails done, my toes done, and my eyebrows arched and my lip waxed. So yes, I will continue to get my nails done. I will continue to get my feet done as I'm on my debt-free journey. That's something that I didn't want to sacrifice. It feels good. I love getting my nails done, like love it. And so it feels good when I get my nails done, my feet done. I know I could do those things myself. I tried to do them and it just didn't work out. I've tried so many times, y'all, to do I bought the whole kit and everything. It just didn't work out for me. So those things that I do love, I want to keep those things in the budget. And my goal is just to make sure that I make money on the side. I mean, it's about $130 a month that I spend on these things. And that's something that I do for my mental health. And not to be so deep, but it makes me feel good to get my nails done, my feet done, my hair done, and those things. So those things I will continue to do on my debt-free journey. So let's count and see how much money I have here. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 135, 140, 145, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Let me make sure I counted this right. 50, 70, 90, 110, 120. 125, 130, 135, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So 140. This should definitely be enough to take care of everything that I need to at the nail shop. All right, so that is everything for my self-care binder. And I am just going to put this money in my, let me see if it'll fit here or if it'll be too big, because this is my bank envelope that I created for myself, and it might be this money might be too much, but it might not. Let's see. Oh no, it's perfect. Okay, so this money is gonna go back to the bank. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in today's video. Thank you for blessing me with your time, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.